Hey, what's up, everybody? Rob Sower here with Sower Real Estate, Keller Williams Realty in Boise. Not quite as late of a start today. It's like not even 9 o'clock, so we're doing well. There's actually a little bit of daylight outside. Hang on, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, cool. So hopefully you guys had a nice weekend this last weekend. Got a chance to celebrate all the moms out there. Happy Mother's Day, belated Mother's Day to everybody. Well, to all the moms, not to everybody. So we're going to jump into the market stats, the market dynamics here. There's some different things going on in the market right now, and I don't know if you guys can feel this or not, but I would say that we're seeing a bit of a change in attitude. The numbers are showing that, and I don't know, we'll see what happens, but you guys are kind of familiar with this chart. We've got your graph up here that shows the month to month over the past 12 months of what's been going on. The red line being everything active and how that fluctuates throughout the year. The dark line being everything that closed, and the lighter gray line being everything that went under contract or pending. And it's really interesting. We've seen a pretty big spike in active listings from March. We saw them go from 327 all the way up to now at the end of April, they were 468. The closed transactions in March was 576, went up a little bit to 608 in April, and then the pendings went from 628 up to 691. So not like a massive increase on those numbers other than the actives, and that's showing up in our inventory. So our inventory went from 0.5 months of inventory up to 0.7. That's a little number down here. And again, as a bit of a refresher for the people that are unfamiliar with what inventory actually means in real estate, it's not like what you would see like in a store where it's everything that's just on the shelf. Inventory in real estate means that if no new homes came on the market, how many months would it take at the current rate of consumption for them to all be gone? And a balanced market is 3 to 6 months. Anything below that 3 months is more of a seller's market. Anything above that is more of a buyer's market. So being at 0.7, it still shows that we have a seller's market. However, as you're kind of seeing in these numbers as well, actives jumping up so much, pendings and solds not really keeping pace with them as much, it's definitely giving a different sentiment in the market. Now, our average home sale price has gone up a total of 3.4% so far this year. We're right below 600,000. I don't know how many of you have seen that article that's been going around about how Boise is like the least affordable city in the country. And, when you have home prices of that high number combined with Boise's typically low wages, there you go, and inventory again. So let's talk a little bit about how this is actually feeling in the market. I would say, and like I mentioned in my little write-up at the beginning of the email newsletter, that there is kind of a different feeling, in my opinion, out there in the market right now. So we have people that there's a lot of, well, I won't say a lot more. There is more emotion. And real estate tends to be emotional anyway, but now we're seeing a little bit more emotion. I feel like people are a little bit more on edge. I feel like there's a little bit more uncertainty for people with inflation, elevated home prices, and then of course, the real kicker, in my opinion, is the interest rates. We've seen a massive increase in interest rates in a pretty short amount of time, and that's the number one key for affordability. So if that changes, people's affordability changes. So I'm having a lot of conversations with people right now about how to adjust with that, what to do about it. Maybe it means they don't do anything. Maybe they just stay where they're at. But for the people that really want to make a change in their home, we're having really different conversations. And I will say that I feel like over the next 6 months, we're going to see the market change a decent amount. I don't know exactly what that's going to mean, but I do feel that we just can't have the interest rates changing like this and have no impact. I don't see how that's possible, especially with all the other things going on. So anyway, not to freak anybody out or anything, but I am a believer in just honest conversations. So if that's something that you want to have as far as real estate goes, let me know. We can talk about your exact situation, your scenario, what may or may not be best for you, and again, kind of touch on exactly what's going on, and see if it's something that makes sense for you to move or to stay, or what. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Get out there and enjoy the nice weekend. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us on Saturday, and hopefully we see more good weather come our way. All right, have a good one. Thanks, guys. Bye.